Hey guys, it's Ramona coming to you with a video on how to prepare your cloth diapers before your baby is here. This video is going to go over how to prepare the pre-loved diapers that you may have gotten or the new diapers that you may have gotten. I have both, so let's get into this and I'm going to share you how to prepare them. Okay, so let's start off with what is a cloth diaper and what it looks like. So here's one of my new cloth diapers. It is the Alpha Baby brand. It comes with this cover. You see the little buttons. These buttons range from newborn size to all the way up until baby is out. And then it also comes with an insert. Now these inserts that come with Alpha Baby brand are microfiber inserts. Some people prefer to do other inserts because maybe their baby needs extra absorbency or they just don't like them. For whatever reason, you can always get different inserts, but it is what comes with Alpha Baby. So, with these inserts, I do want to say that you do want it all the way stuffed in your diaper, which you can do right here. It is what absorbs the poop and the pee and everything in this diaper. You stuff it all the way down long ways. But you do want it all the way stuffed in because microfiber can cause irritation to baby skin and you don't want that. So just make sure that your microfiber cloths are all the way, all the way inserted. So that is what cloth diapers look like. Now, another tip is you want your stash, if you're doing washes like every 3 days for your diapers, you need a stash of at least 24 diapers to 26 diapers. My stash that I currently have are 40 diapers, so I could probably go 4 days between wash periods. I will be posting a video on how you need to rinse your diapers off, wash them, and everything like that once baby's here, but this is how to prep your diapers video before baby gets here. So let's get into this and I'll show you how to prep the new diapers to get better absorbency and get that ready, and then how to prep your pre-loved diapers to make sure the germs and everything is all good and gone and ready for baby. All right, let's go. Okay, so here are 13 of my 40 cloth diapers stash. These are the new cloth diapers that I got. We are going to wash them 3 to 5 times to make sure that they have good absorbency, but of course you won't get your max absorbency until up till the 10th wash, but it is recommended that you wash them at least 3 to 5 times to make sure that they have good absorbency before you start using them on your baby. Now you of course can wash these with your normal clothes just to save on washes and everything. I have done that already twice, but this time I'm going to wash them by themselves just so that you can get a view of the wash period. The detergent that I'm using is going to be Tide Free and Gentle. Now there are other detergents that you can use. This is just the one that I would prefer to use. Just a heads up, you do not want to use any detergent that has any fabric softener in it, because this can mess with your diapers and it's just not good for them. And you do not want to use a fabric softener in your dryer. So first off, these diapers are going to go in normal settings and they are going to go on warm temperature with your Tide or whatever detergent that you prefer to use. And then afterwards, they need to be on a low tumble dry. You don't want to do it on too hot because then your elasticity will go out. And so that is it for now. Alright guys, so after the new diapers, we're going to go on to the Preloved Diapers, which is this stash right here with all these cute little diapers. Most are Alva Baby, but some are different brands. But for these Preloved diapers, we're going to want to do a good clean, which is going to require us to fill up our tub halfway with cold water, then put half a cup of Clorox bleach in it, let them soak for 30 minutes, then do 2 back-to-back washes, and then put it in the dryer for a low tumble dry. And then you got nice, fresh, clean diapers. Well guys, the sun is now down after a full day of prepping these cloth diapers. All 40 diapers are clean and ready to go. All that's left is to stuff the inserts inside them and just button them up and just put them where they need to go, and they're good to go for whenever a little baby gets here. I hope you guys found these tips useful like I found them useful. These tips came from my birth center's class on cloth diapering, so I figured it would be great to share these for other mamas who are on their cloth diapering journey as well, and or people who may just want to know some stuff about cloth diapering, or just to see what your options are between cloth diapering and between the regular diapers. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and keep an eye out for whenever baby gets here, because I will be posting a video on how to clean the diapers whenever baby goes potty in them. All right, you guys have a great night. Bye.